While the world often glorifies constant productivity and endless activity, our bodies communicate a profoundly different and essential truth. True healing and restoration primarily occur in moments of stillness and deep rest. Sleep is not merely an optional luxury or a passive state. It is a fundamental biological command, an imperative for our very existence and well-being. Every single organ, every vital hormone, and every individual cell within our intricate biological system is profoundly dependent on this consistent, nightly cycle of rest, repair, and profound renewal. Tonight, we embark on an insightful journey to explore the profound science behind sleep, uncovering precisely how it meticulously regenerates the entire body, significantly strengthens the cardiovascular system, and comprehensively restores the clarity and function of the mind. During the crucial hours of sleep, your brain undergoes a remarkable transformation, becoming an exceptionally active and efficient repair center, diligently working to maintain optimal function. Specifically, in the profound stages of deep sleep, cells throughout your body actively regenerate and repair themselves, while during the vivid and dynamic REM sleep, the brain meticulously organizes and consolidates memories and processes emotions. Concurrently, your heart rate naturally slows down, your blood pressure stabilizes to healthy levels, and a surge of essential growth hormones is released, all working in concert to rebuild and repair damaged tissues throughout your system. This period is also when your body's intricate hormonal symphony plays out its vital roles. Melatonin levels rise significantly to signal the onset of rest. Cortisol levels gracefully drop to induce a state of peace and relaxation, and growth hormone production increases dramatically to facilitate cellular repair. Without this indispensable nightly cycle, the body simply cannot effectively reset itself, inevitably leading to persistent fatigue, chronic exhaustion, and significant hormonal imbalances that disrupt overall health. Your heart, a tireless organ, relies heavily on the restorative power of deep sleep to fully recover from the demands of the day. During these critical hours, blood vessels throughout your body relax and dilate, and systemic inflammation, a key contributor to many diseases, significantly drops, promoting cardiovascular health. Conversely, consistently poor sleep keeps the body trapped in a detrimental fight-or-flight state, which dangerously elevates blood pressure and substantially increases the risk of developing serious heart disease. Simultaneously, the brain's remarkable glymphatic system, a specialized waste clearance pathway, diligently cleans out harmful toxins and metabolic byproducts that are strongly linked to cognitive decline and neurodegenerative conditions. This crucial detoxification process, vital for brain health, functions optimally and almost exclusively during the restorative periods of sleep. However, the demands and habits of modern life frequently disrupt this absolutely vital and ancient biological process, hindering our natural ability to rest. For instance, the pervasive blue light emitted from electronic screens actively suppresses the production of melatonin, effectively tricking your brain into believing it is still daytime and preventing it from preparing for rest. The remarkably simple yet profoundly effective fix for this modern dilemma is to implement a strict rule. Avoid all screens for at least 1 hour before your intended bedtime. Allow the natural darkness to once again teach your body its inherent rhythm, guiding it back to its natural inclination to rest and rejuvenate. You can further support and enhance the quality of your sleep through mindful nutrition. Magnesium, abundantly found in nutrient-rich spinach and crunchy almonds, effectively calms the nervous system, preparing it for slumber. Meanwhile, complex carbohydrates, such as those present in wholesome quinoa, help to stabilize blood sugar levels throughout the night, preventing disruptive spikes and crashes. To optimize your sleep environment, it is crucial to consciously avoid stimulating substances like caffeine, sugary foods and drinks, and alcohol, especially in the hours leading up to bedtime. Cultivate a consistent and soothing nightly ritual. Establish a regular bedtime that you adhere to. Ensure your sleeping environment is cool, dark, and quiet, and dedicate a few moments to quiet reflection or gentle relaxation before drifting off. When you consciously choose to honor and prioritize sleep, a remarkable alignment occurs across your entire being. Your hormones achieve optimal balance, Your heart functions with renewed strength, and your immune system becomes robustly fortified. Protect that precious silence, embrace the darkness, and allow your nights to become the profound, healing rhythm that your body instinctively remembers and deeply craves.